We have the results of the men's 200-yard IM now. The first alternate will be Ray Whitaker of Purdue. Second alternate, Billy Connor of Cincinnati. In the D final, it's Caden Pitzer, Jonah Lee, Henry Webb, Ryder Hicks, Kyle Buckgardner, Owen Stevens, Luke Vickers, Jonathan Rom, Crash Ackerley, and Mason Kaifas. In the C final, Brent Gooding, Sam White, Connor Bennett, Manoli Mutsakonikis, Charlie Eglin, Jake Eccleston, Chris Lee, Nate Thomas, Ian Combs, and Vicente Villanova.